You walk through the doors and everybody's good morning, smiles, how are you doing? It's nice to walk into something like that. I like the teamwork here. All hands on deck, accomplishing that goal at the end of the day. So that's what I really enjoy about this job. They can teach you everything that you need to know here. Didn't have much experience when I first started. 9 months later, I'm able to produce quality product. When the job is complete, it's acknowledged every single day. So it boosts your confidence to think that you're doing and know that you're doing the right job. They take care of you from the moment you're in here. Let's make you feel more at home. Let's see if you can handle more responsibilities. They also do company picnics. That gives us time to talk and to get to know the people. You know, there's family here too. To have a company that says family comes first, it actually brings me to tears. That means something when they actually mean it. That's why it brings tears.